Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes jumped as Bank of America led gains among lenders after reporting better than expected results that were underpinned by the Federal Reserve's rapid rate hikes. Ripple is testing a way for developers to deploy smart contracts made for the larger and more popular Ethereum on its XRP Ledger blockchain with little effort. US tech giant Apple has put on hold plans to use memory chips from China's Yangtze Memory Technologies in its products after Washington imposed tighter export controls against Chinese technology companies, the Nikkei reported.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT, the US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the Eurozone's ZEW survey Economic Sentiment at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey Current Situation will be released at 0900 hours GMT, the UK's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT, Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.